This 13-pound bagless vacuum from Hoover is a great value for anyone who wants a powerful machine for around $60. It features 3 levels of height adjustment to match your cleaning surface, whether it be carpet or hardwood, while maintaining good cleaning power for a vacuum this affordable. It's a well-made, inexpensive upright vacuum with a bagless design and filter that's easy to clean. It has a long power cord, a compact shape, and 7 feet of cleaning reach with the removable cleaning wand. Unlike most cheap vacuum cleaners, the Hoover Sprint has a sturdy base and a thin cleaning wand that fits well into the back of your closet. The head is heavy compared to the handle though, which led to lower scores in maneuverability. The head doesn't swivel, so changing directions required more exertion to move the vacuum in the direction we wanted to go. Hoover's multi-cyclonic technology separates dirt particles inside the vacuum so they don't get trapped in the filter and require less maintenance. The vacuum comes with a 7-foot removable cleaning wand extension and a 2-in-1 crevice tool and dust brush for hard-to-reach corners. Overall, the Hoover Sprint Quick Vac UH240 is an effective, cheap vacuum. It has a great reach, good power, and a dust cup and filter that don't require a lot of extra work. This vacuum lacks mobility, but it compensates by offering a variety of attachments and a compact design. It's one of the best lightweight vacuum cleaners you will find.